We're going to be demonstrating the wireless doorbell set today. The doorbell set is two parts. There is the actual doorbell with a button, and then there's the receiver, which makes the noise. The doorbell, when you receive it in the package, there is a plastic tab on the back of the doorbell. This just prevents the doorbell from coming on. So when you go to use the doorbell, you need to remove the plastic tab in order for the doorbell to make any noise. Next, we're going to be plugging in the receiver to demonstrate how that works. You can plug this receiver into any socket, and any socket should work. Next, we'll demonstrate how the doorbell sounds. Thank you for, one more time. Thank you for watching.